When airflow is forced to change direction, the disrupted air is turbulent. Turbulence is noisy and wastes energy. In the latest generation of Dyson fans, turbulence is minimized, ensuring they're quieter and more efficient than their predecessors. This begins with the intake holes, carefully arranged so air is drawn evenly into the machine. Motor noise is captured and dissipated by a Helmholtz cavity, and any vibration is isolated by an acoustically engineered motor casing. The fins of the impeller are asymmetric, so each harmonizes with the others, and they have a scalloped trailing edge to further improve acoustics. An aerodynamic diffuser separates the airflow into controlled parts for efficiency. Air is then channeled equally into the two sides of the loop. It has a larger volume at the bottom, which allows air to enter with less turbulence, reducing noise. As pressure in the loop builds, air is forced out through the aperture at a high constant velocity. As the airflow exits, it clings to the airfoil-shaped ramp, generating maximum velocity and projection. Surrounding air is then drawn in from around the loop, amplifying the volume of air projected. This is how Air Multiplier technology projects smooth, powerful, high-velocity airflow. Powerful airflow, no blades.